and with vehicles.
And breaking news now coming in from the capital. And breaking news coming in, Praful Patel has come out all guns blazing against the poverty figure. The NCP leader, a minister in the UPA government, has rubbished the Planning Commission's figures. He has actually taken on the methodology with which the Planning Commission has come out with the results, saying that these figures do not match actual reality on the ground. So clearly an embarrassment coming for the UPA from within the UPA. The NCP senior leader Sharad Pawar earlier, in fact, did not want to comment on the figures, saying that he hadn't had a look. But now one member from his party, a senior leader, in fact, Praful Patel, has come out all guns blazing against the poverty figure. He said that the Planning Commission figures are based on a methodology that had been criticized in the past as well. It was considered to be controversial, and despite that, the same methodology has been used. This is one party from within the UPA that is now coming out and criticizing the poverty figures. Soon after the results came out yesterday, it was the BJP that took on the government, saying that the government was in a hurry to actually come out with the results ahead of 2014 polls. Senior editor Javed Ansari joins us on the phone line again. Javed, clearly an embarrassment for the government. It's not just the opposition, but now from within the UPA, criticism of these figures.
Yes, and it should come as a huge embarrassment to the government, because the NCP has been a steadfast ally of theirs for over several years now. And there's more than one opinion on this issue within the government, and it reflects in what Mr. Praful Patel has said. And I will not be surprised that in the days to come, more such voices pop up. As it is, the opposition is extremely skeptical, as are those who wish this government well. But as far as these figures are concerned, this has come as a surprise to a lot of people.
Any reactions coming in from the centre yet on these figures after the criticism has started?
No, Maruk, as we speak, the centre has chosen to keep its powder dry for the moment. But as the day goes by, I'd like to believe that there will be some kind of a response or justification either from the Planning Commission or some other quarter in government. But certainly there should be some work from government towards the end of the day.
Thanks so much, Javed. In fact, the government is facing some hard questions on the poverty figures released as the country heads to general polls, and the disquiet on the issue in the face of concerted opposition assault was visible today when Finance Minister P. Chidambaram decided to not answer questions on the controversial statistic. Even the seasoned Sharad Pawar refused to defend the government, but now his party leader, Praful Patel, has come out and criticized the figures. However, some leaders from the ruling combine did try to rationalize the figures and claim credit for what they say is declining poverty rate. But the opposition hit back in equal measure, saying the government's figure is nothing but a cruel joke.
देखिए, जो मापदंड उन्होंने पहले रखा था, उस मापदंड के हिसाब से पावर्टी 37% से 21% हो गई है। मापदंड को अगर बदलना है तो आपके रिजल्ट्स बदलेंगे, ठीक है ना। इस मापदंड के अलावा एक फैमिली अगर 5,000 रुपया कमाती है तो वो उससे कम कमाती है, वो पावर्टी के नीचे है।
शर्त ही बदलोगे, परिभाषा बदलोगे गरीबी की, और लोगों को अमीर दिखाओगे, ये गरीब के साथ क्रूर मजाक है, विडंबना है।
भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था में यूपीए सरकार के कार्यकाल में जो सुधार आया है, जो उन्नति हुई है, उसे लोग अनदेखा करने की चेष्टा कर रहे हैं। हालांकि अभी भी लगभग 20% से ज्यादा लोग अभी भी गरीबी रेखा के नीचे हैं।
6 decades of independent India, there should not be one person also so-called below poverty level. In India, it's a matter of shame that even if there is one person, because we are a capable country.
And on that note, we're taking a short break. When we come back, headlines, top stories. Stay with us.